Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set free GeoTune as your color tune. So all you have to do is try to uninstall this application. This is like a Set Color Tune Pro 2024. You can download in the Play Store. This is a 15 million songs available, 16 languages, free color tune, listen at anywhere. Enjoy songs and mood exclusive songs. So you can try to tap this, or you can learn to how to use by directly jump into the web, and then you can tap on set new color. You can choose a sorry this one geo. So you can open tunes. Here there are some a from geo. This is the Hindi song. You can tap to allow this system modify your system setting. So this is the song that you can set to become your ringtone or color tone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.